So we're going to install the Yakattack anchor trolley deluxe kit I got. Typically I just Typically I just tie off right here on a quick connect, a quick loop knot, and I chuck over from this side, and then I'll slip it over to this side if I want to go on the other end, or I tie it off to the front bar. But I'm getting tired of that, so we're gonna put it. I think we're gonna put it right here. Right here's right in front of this line. I decided is where my lever is gonna go, and then it's gonna go front to back. For when it was hanging off the truck bed, and it was so goofy looking. It was so Hoosier tacky looking. And then I couldn't use the bed, and I couldn't get in the toolbox anyways. So it was a necessary purchase. I'm happy with how these turned out. They look good. Can't wait to drive with all this rattly metal I just thought about. That's alright though. Let's put an anchor trolley on. So here's the kit. Comes with all your screws. Piece. These are for the back side of the pieces. So I have that, and I have some of this here. Boop. And when we drill our holes, we're going to put a tiny little bit of goop in these, around, probably just around the screw or on the hole. Either way, we'll figure it out, but I don't want to get it in there for sure. We'll figure it out. But then you screw all these in, and you know, this guy goes here on the inside of the boat, so you can really torque that thing down and seal it up. Oh, I might just goober up the back of this part. That'll seal it. That'll seal it. And then it also comes with this black and orange rope. But I think I'm going to use my green rope so it'd match everything else in my camp. All my guy lines are green. Everything's green. And I should have plenty of this left still. So this is going to get saved. And I broke my mount today. I'm so mad. But, alright, let's get started. This piece said we needed a 13/64 drill bit. So we're going to get that. You're going to be a little shaky, guys. I'm sorry. 13/64. It's perfect fit. Zero movement. I'm assuming from where it got molded. Oh. And it is like the exact width of this almost, but that's on the top, so I can't, so I gotta go down. What I'm gonna do, oh, I should get my phone. Let's make sure this.
Carefully. So, we're gonna back with this.
And these are wired clamp and pulley side. Kind of loose for now. Dabble. Now we're on there. It's got a little bit of glue behind each screw hole. And the clamp base. I don't know what rigging bullets are, so I'm not drilling the third hole. I don't know what that means. But then that goes right behind my my piece. I drilled hook holes so I can hang my baits on each side. Hang my old lures, I mean. Very nice, very nice, very nice. The high back seat, highly recommended. Alright, and for the back one, I've got foam this back 8 inches of my kayak, canoe, hybrid, whatever they call them. So I can't get this back there. And it calls for an 1/8 inch instead of a 13/64, so we swapped out our drill bits real quick. Put this right here on the back of the yak. And we're gonna go put a little goop. Overthinking things. I had to make sure you all were paying attention. Drill, baby, drill. I know what they say. People are like, you're going to drill holes in your kayak? Drill, baby, drill. Put some goops here on this here deal. Probably too much, but it'll be alright. Let's go do the front. All right. I know my dog is loving this. So, I think the farther the better, right? I mean, I feel like I'm here with you. That's restrictive, but let's water down, boy. Let's go, let's go.
Easy peasy, easy peasy.
The magic goop. Bada bing, bada boom. I forgot to hit my button, of course, but I'm running the string for it now. My green string, 750, 770 or something. All right. So now, got my lever lock. Locked, unlocked. Very nice, very nice, very nice. I like it. And the top string. Oh, this is my bottom string, okay. So yeah, once this is all together. Oh, there we are. Here's what I'm thinking of. Swoop. And then I'll have the other guys holding this thing together. Boop, ba-da-doo-boo. They look good. I dig it. Those other things are going to be that's, I don't know what these are called exactly, but these pieces are what hold the thing in line. Boop, 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 and a boop. Like so. Oh wait, no. this is how all the pictures had it. Wait. That doesn't seem right. Well, yeah, it would. Okay, yeah, that's right. Yeah, and then this one. And then the knot connects. Bada bing, bada boom. Okie dokie. We're learning this together. Just realized I put the trolley line on the wrong end, so we're going to try and do this. Okay. Now, this is the top line. So, I need this to come through here because I put that through the wrong direction. Alright, so it's the carabiner. Oh, okay. And I'm going to put one of those double looped overhand knots in this one just because I like how they look. This side I'm going to put a slip knot on so I can tighten it if it ever loosens up, but from what I heard that it'll shrink, so I don't know. We shall see. We will learn together, but let's get the slip knot. So now I got a little slip knot in this deal. Now if I need to, I can loosen her up and let it float around. Lock it in place. Or some real good room, really let it fly out. Tighten her up, stow it away. Bada bing, bada boom, baby. Call it my anti-slip knot, so even if this, so that, those three loops are my slip. This is my primary backup knot. And then this is the secondary backup knot. So if my first knot comes loose, this will save it. If this starts to come loose, this will stop from slipping there, so it can't come off. Bada bing, bada boom, stow away. Bada bing, bada boom, baby. Do like my truck. Do like it. Looks good, baby. All right, let's put the line things on there real quick. All right, so now I'm just gonna take my 1/8 inch drill bit and I'm gonna install these guys, the wire guides. And I'm going to put a dab of silicone on each back so it can't never leak. I'm going to work to the front, from the front to the back. Well, I got really worried for a second because my rope kept just falling in and out of those little, what are they called? Number 5. The pad hooks. Pad hook. But the factory line's doing it too, so I don't know what's up with that. Maybe maybe I'll hit them with the heat gun a little tiny hairs and just bend that little tab down a little bit. But, you know, that's like fixing a haircut. Try a little bit, you're gonna cut off way too much. So, all right, back at it. Hold on. Let's get back to this. Ow. Old gun, new gun. Look at those light differences. Well, it looks like I did lose a screw. Oh, fuck. Oh, I didn't lose it. Nice. Yeah, so this piece... fits in those perfect. Was that the... maybe just... I don't know. Shit fire, guys. I don't know. You tell me. Is that what that's for? Because these just... Alright, last one. And then the anchor trolley is installed. Thinking about, I just rented a spot down at Pomme de Terre Lake. I'm gonna go check out their fireworks show tomorrow. Hang out there tonight and tomorrow. Come back Sunday. Relax by my lonesome. I love it. Regardless what you think, I love it. There you are. And that's the Yakattack anchor trolley. I'm thinking they call this one the Deluxe Cam Lock Edition or something like that. I don't remember. Throw your anchor out. Before that goes out, then you just make a quick little, I do anyways. Make a quick little loopy-loop in here. Right. Oh. So that way if you need to, boom, your anchor's off. I can undo this finally. God, what a relief. It's a lot harder one-handed. What's going on with my daisy chain? Alright. Spray painted mine so wasn't super bright. Sticking out solid black, I guess. I don't know. I'm going after the stealthy look. Well, I guess you have my seat solid black too, but whatever. So, we've got beacon lights on the back that aren't in right now. They're inside charging. Red and amber and green and white light, I believe. I have one fishing pole mount here. I just bought this guy from Bass Pro, the other shop. The micro light. It's a 46 inch, I think. I don't remember, but... And then I got the Presidential XT2 or something reel. Size 20. Nice, little, compact. I like the compact sizeness. And we went with 1 1/4 inch of PVC pipe. Ooh, it got dark out. 1 1/4 inch of PVC pipe to slip this into. So when I'm going through trees and strainers and stuff, I can tuck my reel down nice and streamlined and nice and slick. Another beacon light on the front, also charging. Here's my grab rope for the front. Don't remember what that's called offhand. So I bought the package deal, the $650 for the canoe, dry bag, or... and I think that's all I got. I'll burn those tips in a second. But yeah, I'm okay with reflective because people got to be able to see me. But heck yeah. There we go.